Severe thunderstorm watches still continue for parts of central Illinois until 10 o'clock this evening. Just about 20 minutes ago, all severe thunderstorm warnings were canceled by the National Weather Service. We're continuing to watch this cluster of storms again, primarily along into the north of Interstate 72. Very similar setup to what we had yesterday on our Monday. A lot of lightning associated with the system. With these storms, we're seeing dangerous lightning, some heavy rainfall, and also wind gusts right around 60 miles per hour, and nickel to quarter-size hail has been reported. Out of Logan County, moving into parts of McLean County and DeWitt County right near Clinton, we're seeing the heaviest of the rainfall in central Illinois. Another cluster of storms is moving through parts of Iroquois County into Ford County, Champaign into Vermilion County as well, moving right around 25 miles per hour. So they're not really fast movers, but right around 25 to 30 miles per hour. And most of these storms not really dying down, but they have lost a little bit of their momentum. We're still going to see strong storms rolling through our viewing area throughout the late evening hours, and I'll continue to keep tracking them here from the Storm Center. If any more updates become available right here on WND 17, I'll have updates. Also on Facebook, I keep posting to there as well. So check that out for any updates. Storm reports coming in around central Illinois, very few at this point, but not only are we dealing with the heavy rain, or heavy hail and lightning, but also that heavy rain as well. So in New Holland, we already had flash flooding throughout one of the county roads up there. This was reported right before 5 o'clock. So we're seeing some rainfall totals right between 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So we could see some flash flooding as we head into the evening. Again, it's going to be confined to the north of our viewing area. Lincoln already 69 degrees, 71 in Bloomington. That's where the rain cooled air is. Everyone else still holding on to the 80s. Most of us, it looks like in the capital city, we're right around 73 degrees. Our dew point temperatures, if you stepped outside today at any point, you notice very muggy out there. We've been sitting in the 60s and the 70s throughout a good majority of the day. When we talk dew points, anywhere between 50 and 60 degrees, very comfortable outside. But once we break that 60-degree barrier and we hit 70s, very oppressive. That's when you go outside within a matter of minutes. You're already sweating and just very uncomfortable to be outside. Now, we do have good news in the forecast, but it will arrive this weekend with cooler temperatures, and we won't have to deal with the humidity levels. Winds continue out of the south right around 5 to 15 miles per hour in most locations. Springfield 18 miles per hour. Again, we've seen some wind gusts where those storms were reported right around 50 to 60 miles per hour. Across the nation's midsection, we're still holding on to 90s in parts of Kansas into Oklahoma, still over parts of the Pacific Southwest, triple-digit heat, but relief is on the way. We have a cold front just off to the west that will continue to build over the next 48 hours or so and slowly push in our direction. So by Friday, we'll see a cool down with those temperatures, and over the weekend, we'll be sitting in the 80s. Satellite radar imagery, though, still shows that cluster of storms over the northern tier of our viewing area that will continue over the next several hours. These are moving to the east, right around 25 to 30 miles per hour, and again producing hail, nickel to quarter size, and also some heavy rainfall and gusty winds as well. So this system will stick with us throughout the next several hours. As that sun goes down, we lose a little bit of energy in the atmosphere, and that's when these storms will start to break apart. After midnight, will be partly cloudy. We'll start the day tomorrow with a chance for some scattered storms as that area of low pressure and that leading edge of cooler air inch closer and closer. That'll bring us the chance for storms throughout the afternoon. By tomorrow evening, it looks like we'll clear out. We'll see partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and most of the day on Thursday, it looks like we'll finally be pretty quiet, and also we'll see cooler highs in the low 90s to upper 80s. And that'll be a big change as we head into the weekend. 72 is what we're expecting overnight. Partly cloudy, winds out of the south 10 to 20, and we'll hold on to the chance for the scattered storms. Highs near 90 tomorrow. Will be partly sunny with a mix of sun and clouds. Your UV forecast tomorrow brought to you by the Lee Institute of Skin and Laser, checking in at a 7, so a burn time of only 30 minutes. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by St. Mary's Hospital. We'll still hold on to the chance for storms tonight, again with lows in the low to mid 70s. Then on Thursday, we'll see highs near 89. Most of that rain will come to an end. And over the weekend, there's the relief. We'll see highs in the low to mid 80s with mostly sunny skies.